What up, Tire Garage TV? Yo, let's throw some rims on this bitch, right? Won't it look a lot better if we throw rims on it? Yo, what's up, Tire Garage TV? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pablo. This is the Tire Garage TV. I work, own, and live here at the Tire Garage. It's a little tire shop located in Santa Ana, Southern California. If you've been here before, welcome back. If it's your first time here, welcome. And hit that subscribe button. Ready? Did you hit it already? Click subscribe down there. You clicked? Okay, perfect. We've got a customer who's dropped off a 2015 BMW 328. Now his car looks stock, it looks okay, and he's cool with it, he likes it, but we're trying to make it look better. So he chose out some wheels, and that's what we're gonna do. Throw on some wheels, some 20s on for him, and get that thing looking a lot better, a lot cleaner, and a lot fresh. And a lot more fresh. So let's go pick up the wheels, get them loaded, get them back to the shop, get the tires delivered, get the thing aligned, and get it back to him, because he's been waiting for the car, man. He's impatient. He already sent me a text. He's like, hey dude, can you send me a picture of the wheel when you have it in person, that way I can see what it looks like? I'm thinking like, no, I'm not gonna send you anything. Keep your patience and you'll be happy, you'll be surprised when you see it. So let's get to work. Let's get to work. So we just picked up the wheels. Let's go take them back to the shop. Throw them on the tires, throw them on the car, and get this baby done. Get this baby done. I'm excited about this one. This one's gonna look badass. But before we do, I'm gonna post the Instagram up here and the shop Instagram, and I'm gonna post my Instagram up here too. Go click on those, go follow those two accounts. I post a lot of stories, a lot of stuff that I do on the daily, so go take a look, all right? Go follow those two accounts. And now let's go get to work. So we headed back to the shop. Let's go get shit done, all right? So we're almost done with this puppy. Well, I'm almost done with this puppy. I'm on the last wheel, and honestly, boom, it's done. So nice and balanced. So let's throw this last one on and go home. Go home, and in the morning, first thing in the morning, this thing is getting aligned. We went from 17s to 20s, and honestly, hell of a difference. Hell of a difference. Customer's gonna be super happy. I'm super happy the way it looks. And it's not even my car. I'll bring you back tomorrow morning when we're out at the alignment shop and ready for this thing to go home, all right? So, yo, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying. Let's go. Let's get out of here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yo, before we go check out the car, help me support the channel. Use the links down below. Anything you buy there on Amazon, if you use those links, help support the channel. It doesn't cost you anything extra. You just use the links, click on down below. Amazon sells everything anyway. So anything your little heart desires, guess what? Amazon probably has it. So use the links down below. Appreciate you for that. Thank you. It's officially the next day, and it's done. And it looks fucking sick. That car looks good. I was doubting the 20s just because I thought maybe they're going to be in the way or too big or look off. I don't know. But fuck, it looks clean. Take a look. Take a look. So there you have it. What do you think? It's a good looking car, right? It definitely is. That makes me want to get one now too. Anyways, let's cut the video short here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate you. I really appreciate you. And you know what to do, all right? Let's get to work. Let's get to work.